Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Fall 2020 Honors Assembly. We have this assembly in January as the time to honor the students who achieved honor roll for the fall semester. To begin our program today, I'm going to ask Luke Oschuler to come off of mute and lead us in our pledge and the honor code.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We, as members of the Pine School, agree to uphold the core values of respect, responsibility, honesty, and equality. We agree to always serve as supportive role models to our school community.
Thank you, Luke, for leading us in our pledge and our honor code. So I want to begin our program today by welcoming you all here as we mark the academic achievements of our classmates. It's become our habit to have a student speaker mark this time for us. Today, I'm so proud to introduce to you all Hannah Squire, a member of the class of 2022. As you'll hear in her remarks, Hannah has been here at the Pine School for quite some time. I can proudly offer that Hannah is a Pine Scholar in her class. She is a stellar student and all-around great member of the Pine School community, whether we're seeing her in the classroom, on the soccer field, or occasionally playing in our band. She elevates what happens here on our campus. So without further ado, Hannah, if you could come off mute and share your remarks.
Thank you, Mrs. Caffrey, Mr. Carlson, teachers, and students. Today I was invited to speak for a few minutes on what scholarship and being a scholar means to me. This also seems like a perfect chance for me to thank this school and our community for supporting me throughout the years and in many opportunities. Scholarship can mean many things, but I like to think of it as finding opportunities to test myself, to grow, and to have some fun along the way. Like my older brother, Jack, I was born in Connecticut, and our family moved down out of the cold when I was 3. I then spent 8 years growing and learning and running around on the old Stewart campus, reading hundreds of books from Mrs. Bush's cozy little library, playing pickup basketball in Mrs. Dolan's aftercare, building marble runs with Mrs. Hughes, and learning Spanish from Senora Velez. I participated in dance class, played basketball, lacrosse, and soccer. And in fact, to this day, Mrs. Hollowell is still my soccer coach. I remember spelling bees, geography bees, math competitions, drum circles, and AR reading prizes. And now on this campus, with many of my same friends, I've played clarinet in the 4-County Honors Band, explored the language of math with Mrs. Houseman, taken up French with Madame Hay, made a pen pal in Dijon, France, and dived happily into chemistry with Dr. Martino. So who can say that Pine doesn't give you opportunities? It certainly has given them to me, and I'm grateful. All the while, of course, my family have been my principal teachers. My family line includes professors, artists, explorers, scientists, and dreamers, and my education began with them. My father stacked books around the house and engaged my imagination on wonderful trips to the Mediterranean, to Canada, the Alps, and the American West. He acts as a guide and a mentor whenever I need him. My mother shows me by example what a woman can do, as if I had any doubt, in sports, in science, and in business. And my brother has been my best friend through it all. A good and kind person, he is a reliable source of strength and of companionship for me. So this is what scholarship and learning means in my life: opportunity, challenge, effort, and companionship. In my opinion, learning is best when we have teachers and classmates and family who help us pursue answers to our questions, who love to learn themselves, and who give us caring opposition with which to test ourselves and grow our abilities. A good story, a good digression, an intriguing question, a respectful debate, all of these drive curiosity, growth, and scholarship. But effort adds value to our achievements. The ability to work hard comes from within, and so does the reward that it brings. Each effort and failure makes us stronger and builds our confidence. And the will to try must ultimately be anchored in the individual. It seems to me that a good deal of scholarship must involve the lonely discipline of the solitary thinker. Still, difficult as it may be, learning is a rarely offered choice and a privilege. Many people will live out their lives never having the privileges that we enjoy. So take scholarship opportunities, follow your curiosity and your passions, and while you're here, make the most of every chance that comes your way. Learning new skills, exploring new aspects of life, such as art, architecture, music, literature, and the sciences, are for me a source of wonder and of joy. I might not get a better opportunity than today to say thank you to the Pine School community for what it has done for me, and to my teachers and my friends. So congratulations to those honored by today's assembly, and thank you.
Thank you, Hannah, for those wonderful words. I know your teachers are proud to hear you explain so clearly what scholarship means to you, and I couldn't agree more. So we really do appreciate it. Now we're to the part of our assembly where we will be honoring our honor roll recipients. So to begin with middle school recognition, I'd like to introduce Mr. Jonathan Tolliver, our middle school director. Mr. Tolliver.
Good morning, everyone. Students, honor roll cards have been placed in your advisor's mailbox. If your name is called as an award recipient, please see your advisor to pick up your award. The criteria for faculty honor roll for 5th through 8th grade is a 3.0 GPA with no individual class below a 2.7. 5th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Aiden Bryant, Logan Bryant, Michael Devaney, Emma DeGiovanni, Kiki Duffy, Olivia Gordon, Jana Wuthseisen, Mason Schaefer, Emma Tardif-Loper, and Sydney Troop. 6th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Harper Aberman, Bristol Alley, Teddy Auerbach, Elle Bashan, Nilla Caffrey, Haston Carroll, Jillian Trevani, Jaden Gwynn Williams, Kylie Markulix, Yashvi Patel, Braden Thomas, and Shyla Wood. 7th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Becca Bashan, Max Brody, Peyton DeGeorge, Brenna Hazy, Mehdi Kakasai, Dahlia Leonard, Brody Levin, Luke Mira, and Carolina Swan. Our 8th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Wynn Auerbach, Madison Bodai, Clover DePhillips, Kyle Dixon, Connor Hampton, Soham Patel, Sydney Rossblock, Wade Singleton, Evan Smiley, and Victor Young. The criteria for head of school honor roll for 5th through 8th grade is a 3.7 GPA with no individual class below a 3.7. 5th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Harrison Auerbach, Jackson Brandon, and Juliet Swan. 6th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Diana Altschuler, Dessa Bogaski, Kaylin Carlson, Jaden Crenshaw, Cassidy John, Hope Katz, Charlotte McElroy, Peyton Shoppy, and Celia Traylor. 7th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Emerson Bryn, Abby Cornea, Nicholas Delpret, Audrey Gordon, Brady Heyer, Reed Korodi, Riley McCaughey, Ethan Murray, Sean Renz, Ty Shoppy, Brody Starr, and Fripp Stringfellow. And our 8th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Isabella Adler, Luke Altschuler, Gabby Benedetti, Shelby Carlstrom, Michael Safari, Carter Crook, Lucas Da Silva, Ida Elvinder, Lily Christel, Madeline McElroy, Jacob Ross, Elena Schroeder, Sophia Sedelnik, Christina Shute, and Alice Villalba. Congratulations, students.
Let me echo Mr. Tolliver's congratulations to all of our middle school honor roll recipients. Now to move on to upper school, Mr. Carlson, our academic dean, will honor our upper school honor roll recipients. Mr. Carlson.
Good morning, everybody. Just as a reminder, Your honor roll cards have been placed in your advisor's mailbox, and if your name is called as an award recipient, please see your advisor to pick up your award. The criteria for faculty honor roll for 9th and 10th grade is a 3.5 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.0. The 9th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Annabelle Baldwin, Fiona DeFilippis, Brooke DeGeorge, Sloan McIlvain, Ava Pearl, and Aubrey Williams. Our 10th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Ali Delpret, Alex George, Shiv Patel, Brett Sarsha, and Bella Tansillo. The criteria for faculty honor roll for 11th and 12th grade is a 3.5 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.5. In 11th grade, the fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Angelina Agrillo, Michael Boyd, Andre De Silva, Mitchell Fahey, Rain Highland, Keely Mater, Jack Shepard, and Celia Wilson. Our 12th grade fall 2020 faculty honor roll recipients are Anna Gray, Nell Hutchinson, Matilda Small, and Jack Squire. Moving on to the head of school honor roll. The criteria for head of school honor roll for 9th and 10th grade is a 4.0 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 3.7. 9th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Keziah Anderson, Zoe Berry, Audrey Foley, Amelie Galbraith, Amanda Grodman, Reese Hobbick, Bella Crastel, Mel McDonald, Will McDonough, Juliet Patterson, Brandon Roos, and Ava Schultes. Our 10th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Sam Abraham, Mac Cummings, Dylan Markulix, Marin Rubenstein, and Brennan Troop. The criteria for head of school honor roll for 11th and 12th grade is a 4.0 weighted GPA with no individual class below a 4.0. 11th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Selena Budd, Michael Diagidio, Kendall Eaker, John Sexton, Reese Slater, Andy Smith, Tanner Sperlin, Hannah Squire, and Kat Villano. Our 12th grade fall 2020 head of school honor roll recipients are Angela Charles, Nia Einhoff, Abby Elkin, Alea Fagan, Kate Faulkner, Liam Fitz, Rachel Goldman, Gracie Hampton, Faith Hill, Acklin Howell, Sam Levine, Trent Long, Tyler Markulix, McLean Morton, Nettie Reagan, Caroline Rouse, Savannah Stranigan, Sarah Vilcani, and Stephen Weller. Congratulations to all of our honor roll recipients today.
Thank you so much, Mr. Carlson. And again, please accept my congratulations to all of our upper school honor roll recipients. Before we head off, I want to reflect back on one of the points that Hannah Squire made in her talk to us. I really appreciated, as a parent myself, her comment that some of her best teachers throughout her life have been her family. And indeed, for those of us who are here taking part in this assembly today, students, I think it's wonderful for you to appreciate that it's not just teachers helping you here, but it's your parents at home who are supporting you as well through your education. So whether or not you received an honor certificate today, I hope that each and every one of you will go home and extend a thank you to your parents. They're making the choice to offer you an independent school education is a true gift, and one that we at the Pine School are so happy to partner with them in doing. I also want to encourage you students, as I do at this time of the year. We're starting a new semester, we're starting a new year, 2021. Pick a goal for yourself. Maybe pick one small thing about a particular class that you're going to commit to do. And through time, through perseverance, I know that each and every one of you will attain more academically. I want to wish you all the best for the day ahead. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in to our honor roll, our honor assembly today.